Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix ZArchiver access is denied problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all go to settings, scroll down, tap on apps, find ZArchiver, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear cache, okay to confirm, go back and tap on app permission, allow notification, go back, go to Play Store, search here ZArchiver, update your ZArchiver. If it's available for updates, then open your ZArchiver. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.